To the trumpet tutorial, we're going to cover sweep, extrude, and revolve with this practical application of making a trumpet. We're going to start with a sample file over in the data panel, show data panel like that, and head over to the home icon right there. Okay, scroll to the bottom, you're going to find basic training. This is a basic training module, and we need number 4, modeling. Okay, so scroll around, find it. Mine's right here. Then we're looking for the trumpet example file. The trumpet example file comes with everything we need to make it. We just need to add the features. We're going to set it up first with a sweep tool. So referencing the tutorial, it's showing us to grab this profile. We'll use, this is our path, and then we'll use a guide rail as well. That's how we'll do all of this. Okay. So first things first, before I start doing this, I should go to File, and I should save my trumpet. So just save as, and put it in a location that is accessible to you, okay? Because you can't save the modeled or the basic training version. Okay, so once you've opened it and saved it, good to go for the first action, which is a sweep. Centering on the first circle here, we're going to go to sweep and choose the solid body sweep, that's blue. Okay, let's use the sweep tool configuration we need. Type, path plus guide rail. Profile, select. This is our profile. Path, select, and choose the path that's in the center or perpendicular to that circle profile. And we need to select the entire path first, or it won't work. Okay, so that took me two selections. Guide rail. The guide rail is on the top, tangent to the circle. There we go. And as we add the guide rail, it completes our sweep. Here, the guide rail is now at the bottom because it wraps around, and it goes all the way to the bell or horn part of the trumpet. Okay, this will be a new body, and we're done. Next, it's going to tell us to extrude the, what do they call them here? The keys, okay? So selecting the bottom 3 profiles with Shift. And here, it's tricky to select, so I could long press if I wanted to and select the profile from the menu. E for extrude. The instruction said to use 185 millimeters, but we're not cutting it, right? We need these to be joined to the trumpet. There we go. Next, we're going to turn that extrusion into a cutout for the model of what we would use to press the actual keys. So here I want the inner circle profile, this ring. I can't select it. Long press. Profile, Shift, long press, profile. Ooh, I forgot to select Shift as I did that. Profile, profile, and the third one. Extruding, the instructions say to do this by -20 millimeters. There we go. And we're cutting it. Now we get the visual of the keys for the trumpet. Last, we need to do the mouthpiece. The instructions will explain to use the Revolve tool around this central axis. Revolve, that's the profile we want. If things aren't visible, remember, you can always turn the sketches back on. Sometimes they are rendered invisible once we've used them for a first time. So check the sketch folder if you can't find something that you need to see. Like, for example, the central axis here. I think that's in sketch 7. There it is. Axis. I selected the axis and applied it there. There we go. Okay. So we've done the sweep for the body, the extrude and extrude cut for the keys, and the revolve for the mouthpiece. And we're done.